Yeah, so my name's Rylan, and this is the new Skylark bike, e-bike, with the pedals. And this is the back of the new e-bike that I got. This is a brand new bike. Bike of a Skylark.
Oh. Okay, let's get done.
It had my battery life, and I have a horn, and I have a light outside here. This is the throttle right here. Here's the front brake, and this is the back brake. This is back, and this is front. Now let's take it for a ride. Yeah, so I really liked the Skylark. It goes really fast. There's another review of it. And the Skylark little. There's a battery. But you should get it. It goes really fast. It had a horn, it had a light, had a battery. Oh yeah, this red button, it means if you touch it, that means when you pedal it goes really fast, and then if you touch it again and you pedal it won't go that fast. Yeah, so it's really fun. I like it. I like it a lot. I mean, only got it like a couple days ago.
You can get some.
Like and subscribe for more adventures.